Alright team, light motivation. Plan now, you see the caps is off. About to go in for these windshield wipers. Well, the arms, want to paint them. Give them that fresh coat of black, because they is looking ugly. So let's get them fresh. I was gonna leave them on the car, but then it's like, nah. Let me really take these upstairs so I can take my time with them. So 14 millimeter bolt to get it off. You already know, let's go. You know, I keep shit missing, so everything good. So y'all ready? See, we got them off. Like, so my suggestion is to push down, because you see it got a spring. Push it down, and that's an easier way to get it off than trying to fight and pull it up. But got both of them. About to take them upstairs and do what I do, baby. You already know. Let's go. Back on it. It's in the spray box. I already wiped it down with a few alcohol pads. Got it nice, I mean, as clean as it's gonna get. Let's go, let's prime it. Paint it, let's do it. So you already know, team. Primed, that first coat of black, nothing too crazy. We're gonna give it 15, 20 minutes. Everything looking righteous. It's looking good. So light prime, light prime. Shaking team. You already know that finished product. So that's what we looking like after primed. 3 coats of the black and 2 clear coats. Got it gleaming right now. It's looking really good. Looking really good. So, yeah. Ready to snatch this shit up out of here and go install that. Give y'all a view of what it look like on the car. Let's go. Alright, team. Just gotta put the caps on, but yeah, it's fresh. Just to give y'all that, you know, super fresh. I like it. Like it, came out super dope. We throw the caps on and close the hood, see what we looking like. Alright team, so that's that finished product. You already know. Feeling it, really digging it. Came out really nice. Real simple, I guess, upgrade, I don't know, refresh, just to put a little bit more zest in the car now. You know, if you're digging it, you like it, helped you out, you know, like, share, comment already. Always subscribe, baby. Let's go. Keep that content coming. We in here. So you already know. It's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. Stay locked and loaded. Abuse VQ team. We in here.